Do you know that using body towels can significantly impact acne and facial rashes in various ways on your skin?
Continue.
Okay, come over here. Let me give you the breakdown of the effects of the body towel on your skin. So, Angela, after watching this video, you will now know why pimples have been staying on your skin comfortably without paying rent.
This man!
How you have been helping them to multiply on your skin.
This is plain.
And most importantly, I will also be telling you what you can do to stop acne and facial rashes. I am Olida Kayode from the Creative Up Center. So today we're looking at causes of skin rashes. One of the most important causes of facial acne and rashes occur through transfer of bacteria from dirty or damp towel. That is, wet towels. Since bacteria enjoy staying in a damp region, therefore, your towel can harbor bacteria which can be transferred to the skin and it in turn form acne or skin rashes. So, before you start judging your towel, do you know that every part of your body has different normal floras, which are microorganisms that help maintain the body homeostasis? But in case some of these bacteria are being transferred to a wrong location in the body, just for instance, now just imagine a bacteria that ought to be staying on your anus. Maybe when you are rubbing with your towel from down to up, and then you transfer some of them to your face.
Are you playing?
And from there, the bacteria start multiplying on your face and start causing rashes and acne. Understand? So another cause of skin acne and rashes is irritation, that is majorly caused by the use of rough or hard textured towels. And that may cause irritation to a sensitive skin, and this can worsen existing rashes, which may lead to new breakout of rashes on the skin. Then over drying of the skin through excessive rubbing of the face with a towel can strip the skin of natural oil, which can lead to dryness, irritation, and acne of the skin. And lastly, allergic reaction due to sharing towels with different people can cause acne, and also some towels that have been treated with fabric softener or scented detergents can cause allergic reaction in some individuals, which may lead to production of rashes on the skin. So this is how to avoid acne and rashes caused by the use of a towel. The first one is proper hygiene and regular washing of your towel. This ensures that your towel remains clean, and this helps to minimize bacteria buildup and the risk of acne or skin rashes. Okay, so the second one we're looking at is instead of rubbing the face with a towel, gently pat the skin dry with a soft towel that can help maintain skin hydration while reducing skin irritation. Understand? They are patting of the skin rather than rubbing. Okay, I will leave you with this final note. By being mindful of your towel hygiene and fabric choice can help you reduce the risk of acne and rashes while maintaining a healthy skin. So I will be leaving you with this. See you next time. Bye.